annual Jet Ski Kings Cup, held in the waters here at Jomtien, is a dynamic event. It's a great celebration of sport and speed and the expertise of fantastic jet ski drivers, both international and local, who compete for a very good round of prize money. And for the visitors here today, it's an absolutely spectacular event.
สมัยยอดหญิงยอดชายนักสู้ให้โลกได้รับรู้ได้เห็นนักเจ็ตสกีไทยโดดเด่นกล้าท้าทั้งโลกทิ้งใครใครเก่งมาเราเชิญใครกล้ามาเชิญวัดใจไทยด้วยกันไทยด้วยกันเรามาร่วมกันแข่งด้วยกันเชียร์ด้วยกันจนถึงเส้นชัยไทยด้วยกันไทยด้วยกันเรามาร่วมใจเจ็ตสกีสามัคคีพร้อมไทยสวมหมวกกันน็อกอย่างเดียวต้องสู้สุดพลังมีอยู่เร่งทะยานเชื่อมไปชนคลื่นฝืนลมเราไม่ก้มไม่ท้อความสำเร็จชูคอรออยู่ที่เส้นชัยจุดมุ่งหมายคือขึ้นนำขันหน้าถ้าไม่สู้ไม่กล้าก็ไม่ใช่เลือดไทยขอท้าทายผืนน้ำทะยานข้ามสมุทรให้โลกได้พิสูจน์ไทยคือสุดยอดเจ็ตสกีรวมแรงรวมใจน้องพี่ให้เจ็ตสกีเรามีชัยรางวัลนั้นคือคุณค่าเกียรติยศศรัทธายิ่งใหญ่ต่างชาติชื่นชมไทยเป็นหนึ่งในงานแข่งเจ็ตสกีระดับโลกชนะด้วยฝีมือมิใช่โชคเขายกย่องไทย
The world-class competition was returning to Pattaya for the second time and incorporated the annual Jet Ski Kings Cup and Jet Ski World Cup Grand Prix.
ไทยด้วยกันเรามาร่วมกันแข่งด้วยกันเชียร์ด้วยกัน
Your jet ski?
Yes.
Belong to you, huh? Expensive to buy?
Oh, if the cost, the stock one is about 550. Yeah, 550,000. If you do put everything on, it's about 800 to 1 million.
Oh my goodness! And today you're racing, huh?
Yes.
Racing. And your family help you?
Me and two sons, let's together.
Oh, family team.
Yeah, because I get the world champion the year 2000 and my son this year, both of them.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You're my first world champion.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What about safety when you're racing? You have to wear safety gear?
We have to wear the guard and backside and the lightweight helmet, gecko. Yeah, we have to do all.
So you feel very safe then?
Yes.
And very fast. You
if
like fast.
somebody test me, okay, we have the safety.
And sometime can you fall off the jet ski?
Yeah, sometimes.
If another one hits you, huh?
No, we have to move.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, save the body. Yeah. We have to take care.
One of the people very much involved in the organization is this gentleman.
Yes. In fact, our organization, we understand that jet ski is a kind of motorsport.
Yes.
It is very modern, but we would like to let the world know that in Thailand we can play this jet ski the whole year. In Europe, you can play just only in summer.
Yeah.
In winter you couldn't, but in that case, you decided come to Thailand, you can play all the time. That's why. Then we organize to have the 4 rounds of our tournaments to get the champ of Thailand. Then we send some group to go to join the World Championship. Then afterward, we arrange one international tournament. We call Kings Cup because the cups, 5 cups. belong to our king, just to promote this sport.
Held over 3 days, the Pattaya weather was ideal for the activity, and crowds were also highly entertained by a series of competitive tricks performed by jet ski riders in a dolphin-like class of their own. Judges were hard-pressed to keep up. But jet ski racing is a serious international sport, and Nicholas Rios was very focused on retaining his world standing in the Pro Runabout Open, the major competition. Nicholas Rios is just back on shore after a spectacular race and a great win. Happy about that?
Yeah, happy. Just, got another good start and tried to ride it home. So, no, it was good.
I think there might be a bit more to it than that, though, huh?
Well, just try to do the best we can, stay concentrated. Today was just half a day of the weekend. Yes, I win 2 more today, but we got 2 more to go tomorrow. So, the target is, to win the third one. If I can do that tomorrow, that's mean the last one, I don't have to win. I could do top 4 and then we good to go. So weekend is not over. Today was a great day. 2 more to win, perfect. We just got to stay focused for tomorrow.
It seemed to me you travel very fast the whole time, but you take care going around all the buoys, around all the markers, and then you go flat out the back there.
Yeah, just there's try to stay be careful because the water is bumpy. Some of the lines I go slow on purpose so I can recover, and go some faster on the other section. But the competition is very tough, so I need to be on top of my game. And my mechanic Josh and Mark, they bring me a flawless ski, and I just need to try to ride it home.
The final day brought outstanding racing. And Nicholas Rios was amongst the leading jet skis to retain his world champion rankings. A triumph for France and for jet ski competition in Thailand.